That's this other side. I don't know what's going on over here. Another screw ain't smaller. No, it ain't bigger. Hold on, let me see if I can pop that clip off. Let me see. Take this shot off. There you go. Alright. This side won't go on. I don't know. I can pop the clip off. Let's see if I can take this all the way off. Alright, there we go. So I can see what's going on. And why the hell? Ah, clipping away. That's what it is. Make this clip go out the way. And we're good. Let me see if that make a difference. Come on now. I ain't the smartest man in the world, but I'm over here. Look like you trying to take a shit. Alright, we in there. Yep, that's it, Lil J. Alright. Cool beans. Alright. Take this off. And again, y'all, it's cold today. But, you know, we're gonna get the job done, man. Never before changed the switch. This is the first time. First time changing the switch. I never did this a day in my life. But, you know, with the right tools, resources, man, you can get anything done, man. Ain't that right, legit? Get anything done. It don't take much. This thing ain't been taken off in probably 20 some years. So you gotta be very careful. You don't wanna pop these tabs. I should have got some part cleaner. That's what I should have got to take this joint off. Clean it up. Alright, there we go. She coming on now. Come on, man. Stop being difficult. There we go. Being difficult. Let's see if I can pull her ass out. She being difficult, Lil J. I'm gonna get out there. She being difficult, but she coming out there. There we go. This thing is super old. The terminals on this jump, man. That's crazy work. But we gonna get it done. So we do a slick comparison. New part. Don't even press down. This jump do. This won't do nothing. So I'm gonna see if I got some parts cleaner. To clean this joint up, man, so we can get a good connection fit. Get a good connection fit. Let me check. Let me check my storage, man. See what I got. I may have stuff on me. Boy, God be working, boy. God be working. You hear me? God be working. He be knowing what your boy need, man. He knows what I'm trying to do. See, when you got your faith in God, man, that's what I be talking about, dog. God come through every time. Every time. So, get that thing back over here. Let me set this camera up for y'all, man. So we can get this ball rolling. So boom. Spray this down a little bit. Clean it up. Go give me a tissue. So we're gonna let that drain out. Get that thing cleared up already. Cleaned up nice and good, man. Look at that thing. You can see the terminals on the inside. That way we got a good connection. That's why I said, man, you know, if you're gonna do it, make sure you do it right. Make sure you clean the parts off. Because I was gonna buy a new pigtail. I may buy a new pigtail connector just because I don't like the way this one looks. And you know, it's kind of old. The wires are old, so I'm gonna at least put a fresh set of wires up there with the new pigtail. But I am going to replace that, so we ain't tripping. All right. All right, so get this done one more time. Clean this off real good. All right. We're gonna stick this piece in there like so. Make sure you hear that clip. All right. See in there nice and solid. The top one just came out. I knew it would be something. Hold on. Top one came up. I knew it was gonna be something. Alright, so let me get this back up in there. So this, at the point of this, I am gonna put a new pigtail on. But for right now, we're gonna rig this one so she at least stays. Boom. We in there. Alright. Now she locked in. So I'm gonna put this thing back, put these screws in. Let me see. Put these screws in. Let me see. Okay. I feel like the whole. We're gonna get the opposite side in first. Let me, yeah, this should go in first. Okay. Gotta play around with this joint, little Jay. Till we find the hole. And we can slide it down. Alright. She back tight. Alright. Let me put this back. We can check it out in a minute. Make sure that thing doing what she supposed to do. Man, we gonna be in there, man. Faith, man, I'm telling you, man, it ain't too much I can't do, man. With God on my side. You know, with y'all, it's the same way, man. Don't let nobody tell you all the time. Don't let nobody tell you what you can't do. Because if they do, man, they feel like, hey, I don't want to see you succeed. Anybody want to see you succeed, you're going to try to help. Or at least encourage you. So yeah, man. Definitely be on your P's and Q's, man. Keep your best foot forward. We're going to keep this thing rolling, man. Told you, if I can do it, you can do it too. And again, it's the old part, that junk. That's why I gotta buy everything brand new, man. This junk, 83. Some parts you can buy used, but for the most part, man, you gotta buy everything brand new. We're doing this thing for car shows, man. You know what I'm saying? So, make sure y'all be on your P's and Q's, man. We're gonna hook this joint up and see what she do. Alright. Let me see if I can find that bug. Let's see if I can find the bug I just bought. I'll go ahead and put that in. Yep, here we go. Alright. We're gonna put this bug in. Wire's already out for the side marker light. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it with one hand, but that's how we gonna do it. We're gonna make it work. All I'm doing is putting the bug in this joint, so. Bug jump and go right down here. Just like so. Push that thing down. We should be good money. Try to get it locked in this hole. And if I can get it locked in that hole down there, we're good money. Can't really twist my fingers in this jump. That's what's really stopping me. I can't. So we're gonna turn these lights on and see how it go. Matter of fact, you turn the lights on for me.
All right.
So we're gonna see how it go. Pull it up. You pull it all the way out? You don't gotta pull it hard. Go get the key. Go get the key. Go get the key then. These lights usually come on. All right, there we go. Damn. Damn. But this park light ain't on. Why this park light ain't on? The park light still off.
Huh?
Park light still off. Yep.
The side light on.
Side light on. So we know that bulb worked. But this park light ain't on. I need to go get a bulb. Flick the push down on that thing. Yeah. Use your foot. Okay. That's hard. Hit it again. Oh, that's hard. Yeah. Hit it again. That's hard. One more time. Oh yeah, man, we in there. Gotta run out, get a park light. Swap that joint, put that joint in, but we be good money, man. Definitely. I'm gonna run back to the parts store and see how it go. See if they got that bulb for me. So I am gonna need a park light bulb, which is crazy, but we'll see how it go.
Brought reinforcements this time, huh?
Oh yeah, it's my little helper. My little MacGyver. We'll get the job done. Yeah, I don't think it's my nose.
It's an orange bulb, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I don't have any.
That's cool. Might have to shoot down the van, please. See what we got. That's crazy. Auto parts store like a junkyard to me. Like a mechanic's heaven. You hear me? Like a little kid in the toy store, boy. I come in the pod store.
I am gonna let you down this time. I don't have it.
Okay, that's cool.
Yeah, I got the clear, but not the orange. I'm sold out of those.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
I'm sorry.
Are you okay? Have a good day.
Thank you.
So they don't have the part, so we'll have to swing back down to once someone goes to Van Cleef. I know they got the part, but you know, Conquest usually. So we on the way to Van Cleef now to get that bug. CarQuest didn't have it. So we're gonna shoot down here and see what they talking about. I don't usually do CarQuest, but because they closer to the crib, I usually rock with them and see if they got whatever first. But I know Van Cleef got them. They always got everything. So we gonna run in here, see what they got, and hopefully they got what I need. They give good quality service, though. I can't say that. Good morning. How you doing? I need a park light bulb for 1983 Grand Mark GMC pickup. I'm always always saying Grandma Keys. I need to bring that back.
You said 83.
Quicker than sooner. Yes. I'm always mentioning the old
Is
school.
it 2500?
1500. CK 1500. 2-wheel drive. 305 with the copper V8. Yeah. But
Do you know, is it just an amber bulb?
yeah, orange.
You just need
One.
or two.
One. Yeah, man, it's family food for you. You got everything in here, man. Literally. Everything. Auto parts store to me is like a kid in a candy store or Walmart going to get a toy. But man, we here, man. You know he ain't too far.
Do you know what it looks like?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Is that all you need?
Yeah, that's all I need. So we definitely gonna get back. We gonna take care of this and we out. All right, so we back. We gonna put this bud in, because as you can see, they are out and we on low beam, which is hard. So we gonna put this bud in. Lizzie, cut them lights off real quick. No, I said cut the lights off. Yeah, all the lights. Cut the light off. All right, cool. Yep. All right, hold this. While I put the bud in. Yep. Take this out. Oh yeah, she nice, old, and burnt, for sure. I don't really like touching it. You didn't cut them lights off, boy.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't. It's still on.
Oh.
Push it all the way in. It's funny when kids tell you, yes, I did. No, and the light's still on. Push it all the way in. Come here. I don't know what you did. I don't know what you did. There we go. All right. And be in good shape. I don't know what you hit.
But I hit the switch for the switch.
Couldn't have. Ain't this going in? Ah, okay. There we go. There we go. All right, now I cut the lights on, but let's see what we got. Pull it out. It's the silver knob. I don't know what you pulling in there. It's a silver knob right in front of you. Hold up, guy. The silver knob up here. Yes. Thank you. Be back. So being that this a little brighter and that one not, what I'm gonna do? Come on, hold this. I'm gonna put the other bulb in since the other side brighter. hard as a brick. Your head hard as a brick.
My head?
Yeah. Hard.
Heady.
Mm-hmm. It's all good though. It's all good. Yes, sir. Get up there. Uh-huh. Get that action, boy. I'm gonna have to right-handed like I did last time. Make it right-handed. I ain't really gonna see what I'm doing. Uh-oh. Oh. That's the difference.